This is an MFJ 9 something 825 MFJ-825, and it is right now it's hooked up to it can handle 9 to 18 volts. However, it has a battery. It takes a battery. I have an AC hooked up to. I have a power supply hooked up to it, but it takes a battery. But it's never going to work on a battery properly because the pilot lights ask for too much power, and there's a little like quarter-inch, a 1/8 inch phone plug you can plug your power supply into back there. But I kind of jerry-rigged the setup here. So anyway, it has 3 sensors back here. I don't know if you can see them back there. I'll have a photo on it. It has 3 sensors, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to key the rig here and see. There's the 3 sensors right there, and it has low power, high power, average, and peak, and we'll test them all. So on CW, that's doing about 100 watts. Okay, actually it's probably set up for a little more than 100 watts. So that's 100 watts. And then I'll check it on SWR, or SWR. Some idiots like to call it VISWAR. Just pronounce the letters. That won't take you that damn long. Anyway, so we put it up on set here. Oh, by the way, this tells you the battery level. But again, you're not going to don't use it on 9 volts. So I put it on set, and let me key this. Okay, so I'll turn that down a little bit more. Oh, that's a little up. Okay, and now we can see we'll put it over here to SWR, and we can see the VISWAR. Okay, and it's right now it's hooked on my beam antenna. So anyway, now I'm going to put the rig on sideband, and let's put it on sideband. Okay, so now it's on sideband, and I'll test it. Let me just get off this frequency. Okay. Hello, test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's on SWR. Let's go to low here. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that shows you the average power, K1OIK testing. So that shows you the average power. And then you can put it on peak. Okay. Hello, test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're not going to get if you don't put a power supply on it. If you don't put a power supply on it, you can still use it. You just won't get the lights, and peak won't work. Hello, test. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see it's peaking at 100 K1OIK testing, and I'll put it up on high power. 1, 2, 3, 4 K1OIK testing, and so you have what you can do with this, and it has VHF. I don't have any 2-meter gear to test the VHF, but I did put this on 6 meters, and I did get readings. So it has 3 sensors in the back. So you could hook it up to your entire station and run your cables through there. So you have 2 HF sensors and 1 VHF sensor. And it's not like, well, they don't censor. I mean, it's a sensor, but they don't censor. Like some forums can censor, or some places will censor. See, I mean, on QRZ, I can't put a political comment on it, or they will censor, but not with this sensor. I hope you understand what I mean with that.